Gulf breeze blows, in the playground of the South where the energy grows. From the sugar white sands to the casino lights, we've got a space for your days and your Biloxi nights. Just a walk to the mall, a short drive to the base. Welcome to Palm Isle, your favorite place. Oh, welcome home to the Isle where the living is sweet. Smart luxury vibes and the world at your feet. Managed with heart from the coast to the plains. Corinthian pride in every home that we name. From the Mississippi shore to the Texas sun. Step inside to the cool of the tail and the air. All electric kitchens and a style with a flair. Walk-in closets for your life, a patio for the view. Washer and dryer right there waiting for you. Take a dip in the pools, yeah, we've got two. And the bark park is ready for your best friend. The South, word of our comfort is in every mouth. Up in Kingwood at Trailwood Village, we stay in Laredo. La Jolla and Meta Vista lead the way. And right here in Biloxi, let the story be told. Edgewater Point and Palmetto Gold. Corinthian pride in every home that we name. From the Mississippi shore to the Texas sun, we're building a family and you're the one. One bedroom or two, 700 square feet or more. Find what you're looking for right through our door. It's your favorite time. Give us a call. We're waiting for you. You're the one.